So, Zach, I have to give you credit because I wasn't watching. You were. I got this call from you a couple of days ago, and this is literally, and I'm quoting. I answer the phone, dude. Yeah, man, got to buy bone.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, dude. We got to buy bone. I'm like, oh, okay. And then you said it like 4 more times. So
it was like $1.12, and then it just
yeah. So we got bone on fire. I'm going to throw it to you here in a minute because I'm going to let you give the viewers a really great definition of bone, what it is. But the lead story here is that bone is being added to a significantly large exchange. We're going to reveal that here in just a minute. But before I throw it to you and we reveal that, if you haven't already done so, definitely hit that subscribe button below. Subscribe to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Myself and Zach both have our own respective YouTube channels, and we support the Clear channels. And there's a lot of other content creators supporting as well. By the way, links below in the description to all things Clear. Definitely get involved in their Discord. So I'm going to reveal the exchange that is adding bone, Zach, and then I'm going to throw it to you, brother, to kind of give the viewers what bone is for those people who don't know what it is. And quite frankly, I want to talk about the SHIBA INU token versus bone, because I still think there's a lot of like what the heck is this stuff? Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
So to cut to the chase, the exchange is LBank, which is a biggie. LBank is adding bone. And what do you think of this, man?
That's great. The rumor we heard for a while, and this might still happen, Gate.io, but it's not shocking to me at all that people are rushing to list bone right now because of the last few weeks, and because it's part of Shiba Inu, and the exchanges made a pretty good call in listing Shiba Inu last year, right?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people want to get out in front of this one. But yeah, bone is the governance token to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. What does that mean? Well, Shiba Inu by nature is a decentralized community, meaning Austin, myself, and all of us who hold Shiba Inu have a say-so. We have power in what goes on. We can put forth ideas. We can come together as a group and form an idea. I just had Shiba TV on my channel that premiered this morning. Quick plug, go check that out. I mean, what they're building is unbelievable. I'm going to have them back on, and I think Austin will come and join us too. It's awesome, and it's all community driven. And the dev team said, heck yeah, this is an awesome idea. We're backing it. Let's go. Let's do it. And in order for this to really take off, this kind of system, having bone there allows you to have voting power. So the more bone you hold, the more you have the ability to kind of let your voice be heard within this system.
So to confirm and clarify, it's not a replacement for the Shiba Inu token. It's a governance token. It's part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and there are other tokens that are involved. We're not going to get into all those right now. Some coming as well, but it's just part of the ecosystem, right?
It strengthens it. Yeah, it strengthens.
It's a governance. Yeah.
And many people think about, leash and bone. Sometimes, we hear the narrative. It's not everybody, but some people will say, oh, it's taking away from SHIB, right? It's not providing anything. And that's not true. It's not going to impede on what is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the native currency. It's nearly a $7 billion market cap. I think at its peak, it was 50 billion or something like that. It's not going anywhere.
So. Yeah.
It's here to stay. And all of these other ancillary pieces, I think, are going to make a lot more sense once Shibarium comes out and we can actually see it. So I think that's why there's a lot of confusion right now, because a lot of people are trying to figure out in their head, well, how does this all work, right? Yeah. Once it's kind of outlined it with Shibarium, I think people will sit back and say, wow, okay, got it. And this is a good thing.
Okay, cool. All right, well, fair enough. We're going to keep this one short for you. So if you haven't already done so, in the description, there's links to all of ClearCryptos social. Clear is getting closer to launch. So if you want to know more about that, hit their Discord. That's where all of the latest, greatest info is. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you later. Have a good one.